Hi guys, welcome to my tech channel. So today I'm going to explain that another important topic in neoload, how to validate the user part. So whenever we record a script here, we can call it as user part. The first thing is in Roadrunner. So I will compare to Roadrunner. What we can do is click on F5 run button. It will be valid. Now it will check this button, this right tick mark button. Go to the advanced. So always before you run you can change the property here new user, and here sometimes you got enter network 01 error. So in order to avoid that, always you can put habit for uncheck this http2 and okay, and use current scenario in URL execution. So some URLs which is not required like jpeg some images, you can check this. So if you want to give the iterations, you can give over here. So this is a difference rate. So where it will comes, I will show that. So okay, and click on start checking. So here also you can see the flag request over here also. So the flag request is one of the important option which we can use it 95% of the time in the real time scenarios, not only for correlation, some other options also. So when you click on checking, so it will give that. So here you can set difference. Suppose if any difference is 100% something, it might be suspected there may be some value need to be correlated or there is something difference. So this is the tabs. This is the response code. This is the assertions. Assertions I already talked about the checkpoints or a test point and difference. So here you can see that different tabs come to here. The details, variables. Variables I already said that whatever you have correlated or a parameter is that the parameter values that will be appear over here, not only parameter correlators. Servers is generally you not bothered about it. And suppose you can see different. So here you can see details. Suppose you will go to that request and details, request response assertion. Suppose if you put any assertion that will be over displayed here, and response, suppose if you want to see the response, so both are 302, then this request is valid. So you can compare like this request, you can see the request also it will create it, so that what are the differences you have to correlate it. So here you can see that JSON ID. So this is the one value you need to be correlated. So whatever the values are correlated, that will be over highlighted here. So it's very simple and tricky way. Go to this the particular request. After replay, go to the request and click on this button, then it will show that what are the differences. This is the raw content. So basically this is the raw contents. And what about others? So that's this is the request. So it is fine for 4 or 11 or 10, doesn't make difference. So after you ran that, you compare this response, both are same, then your request is valid, both are same. 200 200, suppose if it is a 200, so the during replay it is some other, then it might be problem, and we have to ensure that both are the same. So these are the options that we will check in with while validating the user path. Ban evaluation, that is not important right now. So pray user path type, suppose enable the difference. So here the important is you can change here the second option here, and third come to this use current URL execution filters. So this is, and flag request I already said that in my previous class, it is used for the correlation. So thanks guys. So I hope you understand the concept. Please subscribe my channels because subscriptions are very less user good. But please subscribe, please refer some friends, and if anybody is looking for neuro training, just comment in comment section. So I will also start soon neuro training. Performance testing training also I will start on gathering JMeter and other things. If anybody is looking for training, just contact me. So I will charge a less fees compared to the outside. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.